Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of credit. Recognize someone publicly as a participant in producing something published or broadcast. For example, the screenplay is credited to 1 American and 2 Japanese writers. The second definition of credit. You can add money to an existing account. For example, this deferred tax can be credited to the profit and loss account. American pronunciation. Credit. Credit. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Credit. Say. Credit. Credit means publicly acknowledge contributors' role in. Credit. Credit. Credit origin. In the middle of 16th century, originally in the senses, belief, and credibility, French credit was probably obtained via Italian credito, Latin creditum, neuter past participle for believere, believe, have faith. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. We take into account the quality of their credit. Now, repeat after me. We take into account the quality of their credit. The second practice. Essentially, the idea would be to let people have unlimited credit. Now, repeat after me. Essentially, the idea would be to let people have unlimited credit.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.